Sure, we miss the cozy confines of the Campbell's Custom Care Studio, but we love it here in Indianapolis as well. Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com at the annual PRI show. Each and every one of the vehicles here at the PRI show undergoes incredible stresses on the racetrack in the heat of competition. The technology is amazing, but Nikki, there's one technology that a lot of them use that's antiquated, and it's the Achilles heel of these race cars. What is it?
Well, it's traditional worm gear clamps. So because they only tighten from one side, they're not custom, so they have to try to make do with them. Round fitting, round hose clamp makes it oval.
And why does it do that?
Because you're tightening from one side of it, plus two, you're trying to make this fit onto something, because these hose clamps don't come in custom sizes. They're all one size fits all, so you have to actually make it fit on there. The stress alone from these engines are vibrating this loose and causing it to blow off.
So what's the solution?
Clamp tight tools. That's the solution. Our tool actually makes a custom clamp that is the right size every single time. So no vibration with these clamps. Once it's on, it stays on. So you don't have to worry about retightening or taking it off and putting another one on because it's failed. This one, once it's on, you're good to go.
And how does it make a seal?
So it actually, you tighten the wire with a push-pull motion, kind of like a gear puller, that actually tightens it around, and it causes it to equal pressure all the way around on the seal.
How many different sizes of wire can you use, and what are the different applications?
Oh, you can use size wire from 24 thousandths all the way up to an 0.4, depending on which tool you're using. Majority of the time it's going to be like a 22 gauge to like a 16 gauge is what, most of the car guys are actually using.
The clamp tight tool has so many different applications, but for the bigger applications and smaller applications, you have different clamp tight tools, and now that's in a kit. So what'd you bring here to PRI?
Our big kit is what we're calling this. So it has every single tool we sell and every roll of wire that we offer. So this kit will do, like I said, wire size from actually a 0.19 on that mini tool all the way up to an 0.4. This is our big kit. This is brand new. It's going to be on our website.
I am here to tell you this is one of the busiest booths we've seen here at PRI, and with good reason. Folks here are seeing the clamp tight tool and how it works. You're going to love it too. Find it at clamptighttools.com. For 102 years, the place to go for timing components has been Cloy's, and it still is. They keep evolving. Now, Cody, you've got stuff for the Gen 5 Chevy engines. These things are bulletproof, but they've got an Achilles heel. What's the problem?
Yeah, so the biggest product we're trying to promote this year is the GM tensioner elimination kit for the Gen 5 engines. The tensioner is prone to failure, so our kit uses a billet 5-keyway crankshaft sprocket, which has 4 degrees of positive or negative adjustability, and it's slightly oversized, so it takes out that initial chain slack and completely eliminates the tensioner.
What else are you doing at Cloy's to get the most out of our vehicles?
Like always, we're here promoting our Hex Adjust products and our quick button timing cover, the stuff that we've had for years and years.
How do you folks at Cloy's ensure that you're getting quality products coming out of that factory?
We've been in business for 102 years. We're manufacturing all our high-performance sprockets and gears in Paris, Arkansas. Guys care about their job and do a great job down there.
What makes timing components from Cloy's different and better than everything else that's out there?
Well, we're first to market on a lot of products like this, and we've been doing it for 102 years. It's what we do, it's all we do, and we're going to keep doing it for the next 100 years.
Find them on the web at cloys.com. Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com, returns from PRI next.